Ooh, stick at it. Looks like sparkles, diamonds falling from the sky, I mean.
Sun.
Wow.
It's obviously not picking up the colors of them though, but I don't care. I don't know why though.
That one's a high one.
I gotta raise my camera up a little bit.
Yes, they go down so far.
Duh.
I kinda like those. I like those. Ooh, that one's cool.
I like
Those
those.
are pretty.
I like those. They're
Look
gonna
like
be a
falling
weeping
stars.
willow. I think that's cool.
That's what I.
Oh, you can see the smoke from those other ones, so that's
Love that.
cool.
That's the coolest part.
In the car show.
I love it. Look at the smoke behind them.
These are really cool. I like them here. They're cool. Ooh, a star!
Oh, that was cool.
That was cool.
Star game.
Ooh, a star again.
That 3D deformed stuff.
A circle.
Saturn.
What?
Like
Saturn.
Saturn and then
Oh, I think I was a witch.
it was.
Oh, it was something, yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Ooh. I think that. I think it was a bow.
Something.
I don't know. I can't tell.
This cannot be the finale.
I don't think it is. But that is, because this thing's only been a little bit more than 3 minutes and 25 seconds. So I started when it started.
I don't know what that was.
It looks like a witch. Jacob, don't not mess up my awesome video.
Yeah.
They had a heart last year.
This is what's going to entertain me.
You just remember me.
I don't think we want to.
You ready? Where'd that one go? Oh, there it is. And I don't know what, but your eyes need to get checked on some of these. I didn't see that one go up.
I like that.
Grandma, did you say you saw a dog one once? Grandma,
What?
did you say something about a dog firework?
No.
No.
What was that shape you were talking about?
A heart.
Oh, it was a heart?
Yeah.
I wish they'd do that.
They might.
I wish they had a firework that actually spelled Happy 4th of July.
In the future.
In the future, our fireworks are gonna be so advanced. You're gonna wish you were born then, and you'd still be young.
You never know.
Ooh, I like
Ooh, I like that. They keep getting higher and higher. I keep gotta raise my screen. They go from low to high. I'm moving up and down every 2 minutes.
Well, it sounds if it's a big
Like
one, it
hang
probably
down.
has a little bit more
Oomph to
whatever
it.
than-
Oh, that was cool.
That one was cool.
Mom, what's the ones that are your favorite? That one? This one looks like a willow tree.
Yeah, that's my favorite too. I
Yeah.
think
That's
it's
mine is the willow tree. I call it the willow tree.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one had blue in it.
No, that's what I ought to plant in my backyard now. Is a willow tree.
You know, I haven't seen.
You gotta chop down that other tree first, Grandma.
What?
You still got that big tree with the peaches.
No, I don't.
They just cut that tree down, Gordon.
Oh, that's
Now,
cool.
see my posts lately?
No, I haven't been on
That
Facebook.
pear tree's gone.
I'm not really on Facebook a lot. My
Where
dad's.
do you think all that wood came from, honey?
I don't know.
Peachwood.
I'm really not on Facebook a lot. My dad's. Only Snapchat.
No, the pear tree had come
Did you just ask if that's peach wood? It's wood.
Ooh, that's nice.
That one's pretty. Yes.
There's shit in there.
Oop, that was nice.
It's a ornamental pear tree.
I think I'm gonna go 10 minutes on each video just in case, so don't stop and exit me out.
Whoa, that was right.
The guy said it's beautiful wood.
Rachel, they haven't even started putting up the ones that just go
I
bang with
think
the bright light
the
yet.
pieces are gonna
Those are gonna make
black.
you need glasses, and they make me need a higher prescription.
Huh?
He was thinking more to use it in the smoker.
In the what?
Smoker.
I don't know if it's or not. The guy said it's a sweet wood. So, yeah.
It could not be the same.
That is probably way better, Angel.